Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you all are new to this channel, stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for this epic adventure, but today we are going to do a room review tour. I'm at Caesars in the Augustus Tower. We are on the 39th floor. I have a special treat for you once you see the view, but you know me, I will save that until the last. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's room review tour. Like I said, we are here at Caesars finally. I told you one of these days we'd stay at Caesars, and today will happen to be that day. We are in the Augustus Tower here. So as you can see, the fire route on the back of the door. I fucked up and said, don't take the stairs. I meant don't take the elevator, and be sure to take the stairs. So that was my bad. Didn't mean to endanger anybody. This room, you can actually have an adjoining room if you have another guest. I do not. Over to the left when you come in is the bathroom. It is pretty spacious. Kind of reminds me of the Delano bathroom, to tell you the truth. Off to the right is the commode, as you can see. Nice little picture there. Commode in this tiny little bathroom. Much like the Delano, I would like to see a TV behind the door when you're in the commode. The only thing that they have is a hook for like a robe or something like that. But not that big of a deal. Back to the bathroom. As you can see, they do have a stand-up shower, pretty much standard in most Las Vegas hotel rooms. Most will have stand-up showers like these anymore these days. Over to the right is a little bit of an upgrade from the Delano. As you can see, they do have a jet Whirlpool Tub, which is extremely deep. I don't know if I can fit into it. Haven't quite tried that out just quite yet, but I might have to later on tonight. They do have this big mirror over here, as you can see. Do have two double vanity mirrors right over here. Do have one of those magnification mirrors like we were talking about at the Delano suite. You can turn that light on, make it as bright or as dim as you want. You can see the sink, double sink feature. I do like that quite a bit, especially if it's the wife and I here in Las Vegas. That definitely makes it a lot easier for both of us when we're getting ready. I didn't check what kind of products they have. Apotiki, I don't know what the hell that is, but it's probably pretty good. They did have Kruger or something like that at the Delano Suites. You have a nice full-length mirror right here, so you can check yourself out before you go out to Las Vegas Boulevard. So if you're wandering around the boulevard, you can check yourself out there. Directly behind that will be a closet with an iron and ironing board. They also do have a luggage rack, and you can find your room safe right here. It is the room safe that I absolutely despise. You really can't put anything in those damn things. Not worth a damn, that is for sure. I did get a double queen room, so right over to the right as you walk into the room, you do have this nice little workstation. It does have a lamp, a nice little chair, and this little pull-out area right here. So that's kind of cool. You do have a telephone for your room right there where you can reach out to concierge. Another mirror, which is interesting how many mirrors they have in this room, but nevertheless, artwork is really cool. I like the Roman themed artwork, obviously, since we're here at Caesars. As you can see, I have a double queen room. They do have these little seating benches at the end of the bed instead of by the TV, as you notice with the Delano suite. They do have this nice little table with another phone over here, alarm clock, nice little lamp. One thing that's different about this is all these lamps actually have the old school twisty turn to turn on, so that's quite a bit different. One would think that those would be more up to date and more recent, but not a drawback. I don't care either way. I guess it's a lamp, it just provides light, so it doesn't really matter. Here's the other bed. They have this nice little couch and chair seating area right over here. So this chair is absolutely huge. It makes you feel like a king when you sit in it. They have some more awesome artwork over here. Another lamp. The nice thing about these twisty lamps, and I'll kind of show you this, this is pretty sweet actually, is that they're dimmable. So you can dim these all the way down if you want, or brighten them all the way up. I brightened them up, but it was still too dark, so I had to open up the curtains. Once I noticed that you couldn't see outside either way, didn't really matter because I like to save the best for last, and that's always the room view. This nice little velvet couch. It's weird to see a couch made out of velvet, but a little bit different. It's kind of cool. They do have this nice little footrest or coffee table, whatever you want to call it. I call it a footrest. It's kind of like an ottoman. Do have a nice little table here, so if you go get a bite to eat, like In-N-Out Burger, and you don't have a table, you could always come back to your room and sit and chill. This nice table. They do provide 2 chairs. They do have a Keurig machine, much like the Delano suite as well. As you can see, they do have this nice little entertainment center area over here. So they have some shelf areas. They have the TV right there. They also have, much like you would find at the other one, they do have a little snack selection. They have Skittles, M&Ms, Fiji water, some Pringles if you like, or these cookies, which are damn tempting. I might have to jump into those, but I won't. So they do have the fridge, which is right down here. So much like the Delano, you touch it, you buy it. They have a bunch of different things in here. Not sure what the restocking fee is at Caesars. I haven't found it anywhere to, oh, right there, $75 here. It's only $50 at the Delano. So if you do break into it, you're gonna wanna do the one at the Delano with the $50 restocking fee versus the one for $75 here at Caesars. But like I said, the best for last. I booked a strip view room here at Caesars, and the view is absolutely sick. You guys are going to love the time lapse from this one, much like you've enjoyed the one from the Bellagio when we were staying right over there. But look at this. I'm right off of Flamingo, Las Vegas Boulevard here. That's that intersection right down there. You can see Bally's Tower in the corner. You can see Paris right here, Paris Tower. You can see the Hilton Grand Vacations, Planet Hollywood. Further down in the distance, you can see MGM Grand. You can see the Cosmopolitan Towers right there. And then you can see the beautiful Bellagio. And our special treat for this evening, beautiful Lake Bellagio with the fountain show. I'm gonna set up a time-lapse camera, try and catch the sunset. I caught the sunrise this morning, so I'm gonna catch the sunset tonight in this one. But I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you guys did, be sure to hit a huge like on this video. Share this with your friends and family. Your support helps get these videos out there and helps bring more content to Las Vegas. Huge shout out to all my Patreon supporters. Without you guys, this would not be possible. So thank you for all that you do. I will have some more stuff for you Patreon members. Secrets like this one, like nobody knew but only you, until this video hits YouTube. But thank you so much for all your support. As always, my name is Ryan with 4K Vegas here in Las Vegas. Until next time.